Hi guys, this is CryptoCat aka Nupur. I hope all of you who are tuning in are doing good. This is a quick market update on what's happening and where it is potentially going from here. But before that, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't already. Very quickly guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Any suggestions that I may pass along on my YouTube channel or any other social media handles are not financial advice. You should always do your own research before investing. Coming to the market, we all can see that the death cross for Bitcoin finally happened as Bitcoin dropped in the low 30,000s. Of course, all the altcoins followed Bitcoin as they always do, whether we like it or not. Bitcoin currently stands at around $32,000, down by almost 20% last week. Ethereum down to 1900s, that's down by 25% from where it was last week. BNB down to 280s, ADA down to 1.2, both have taken a hit of around 25%. Polkadot down to 16, that's down by 35% from last week. Matic down to 1.17, which is a hit of 30% in this crash. So basically we can see all major altcoins have taken a hit of anywhere between 20 to 40%. This was expected as Bitcoin does lead the overall direction of the market. Doge seems to have taken a massive hit. Dogecoin tanked 71% since Elon Musk's SNL debut reached 60-day low. The meme coin had hit an all-time high of 0.71 on May 8th, currently down to 0.20. One of the biggest reasons for the dip is definitely FUD. All crypto newbies or people who don't understand or believe in crypto and were here just to make quick money are panicking as they aren't able to zoom out and see the bigger picture. China, of course, is another major reason as it continues to crack down and more strictly on Bitcoin miners as well as holders. Chinese mines power nearly 70 to 80% of the global trade in cryptocurrencies, despite a domestic trading ban since 2017. But in recent months, several provinces have ordered mines to close as Beijing turns a sharp eye to the industry. Lastly, there is a lot of market manipulation by the big institutions and corporations that have either already entered the crypto space or are looking to enter at a good price point. The biggest point to be noted here is that every death cross doesn't necessarily indicate a bear market. No matter what your tech analysis shows or says, these are undeniably uncertain times. There might be a lot of crypto gurus who are saying this is now definitely a bear market or that the bull run definitely isn't over, but please don't follow any such advice. As I said, nothing is certain right now. It's a wait and watch situation. Things could go either way from where we stand as of now. Next 2 to 3 weeks are very crucial as that is what will point us to a clearer path. Ideally, if you're holding crypto short term and looking for quick payouts, you should be tweaking your strategy right now instead of panicking and selling out at a loss. If you're holding on to crypto for long term, this shouldn't disturb you much. This is a great reminder that we should always put in money in crypto that is spare and we won't mind losing or holding on to for long term. Again, either way, this crash wouldn't stay forever. Even if we enter a bear market from here, it won't stay forever. Eventually, there will be a bull run, so accumulate and hodl for that with money you can spare. Ideally, it's time to buy the dips and crashes and average out the costs. If you believe in crypto and its future, let's look at it this way. I'm sure while buying Bitcoin at 50,000 or while buying ADA at 1.9, you all must have wished for lower buying prices. Well, your wish is granted. If you have money to spare that you won't mind losing, this is the time to make your portfolio happy. After all, if countries are making Bitcoin legal tender, corporations are investing heavily, institutions and some banks even have entered the market, companies now starting to accept crypto as payment method, and tons of other such great news, the future can't be all dull and dingy. Not only that, Taproot upgrade for Bitcoin, London hard fork for Ethereum, Gogon era for ADA, etc. definitely promise for a great future ahead. For the present case, however, next few weeks are crucial and need to be monitored closely before anyone can safely determine whether bull run is over or not. In some Indian news, and this one personally makes me very happy. Number of new women investors in India crypto market spikes 1400% in a year. In terms of geographies, urban centers continue to have a dominant position with most women investors coming in from states such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Delhi. The data on user pattern of Indian crypto exchanges also revealed that apart from Bitcoin, the top preferences of women investors included Ethereum, Ripple, Tether, and Cardano. In other news, MicroStrategy takes up a buying opportunity in the weekend dip, buys $489 million worth of Bitcoin. The company has now spent an aggregate of $2.741 billion to buy all of its Bitcoin holdings, according to the announcement. In fact, the company's CEO Michael Saylor is all-time Bitcoin bullish, which explains the firm's latest strategy. Another big Cardano deal is in the works in Africa. The end of April saw Cardano developers IOG announce significant partnership deals with the governments of Ethiopia and Tanzania. But according to IOG's Director of African Operations, John O'Connor, another significant deal is in the works. Like the Tanzania tie-up, this will likely feature cooperation between a local government and the private sector, with IOG technology bridging the partnership. Crypto mining firms relocating to North America and Europe. Up until the crackdown, China hosted over 70% of the total global mining hash rate, but the ongoing shutdown will eventually distribute crypto computing to foreign markets, especially in North America and Europe. In the long term, nearly all of Chinese crypto mining rigs will be sold overseas as Chinese regulators crack down on mining at home. Lastly, analyst and partner at Castle Island Ventures, Nick Carter says, moving crypto mining out of China is a tremendously positive thing to have happened to Bitcoin. He said it's tremendously positive both from the ecological narrative perspective and then from the perspective of eliminating this outside risk factor of a state level attack on Bitcoin. So it's a tremendous turning point and, in his view, a huge opportunity both for individual miners and for the Bitcoin community to reset these narratives which have been used against Bitcoin. That's it for now. If you liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you're a crypto newbie or beginner, I update my series for beginners weekly with a new concept video explained in detail and simplified for everyone to understand. For all crypto enthusiasts, watch out for my weekly market update, tips, coins that I'm bullish on, and my hidden gems that could really multiply. Or simply hit the bell icon so you're notified every time my next video comes out. As always, if there's any specific topic that you'd like me to cover other than the market updates and tips, please mention in the comments below and I'll be happy to cover all of it in my next videos. Bye guys, may the crypto gods be with you.